guys, back again with another Michael Kors review. This time I have the Michael Kors Fulton small crossbody, and this is in the color pearl gray, and I purchased this bag from Macy's some years ago. So this is the pearl gray and silver, super duper cute, and it's just a little small, real small and simple crossbody, and it does have a little snap right here in the back with a little small pocket, and then it flips up. Take the stuffing out. It's just a little small inside with a little pocket right here. And let me see if my iPhone 11 will fit, and it does fit. Of course, it's not going to leave you that much room, but it does fit, so that's a good thing. Like I said, this is the Michael Kors Fulton small crossbody in the color pearl gray. There you go. And so I have it in the color pearl gray. I also have it in the color black with the gold hardware. So here's the black and the gold, same exact design, just another color. So there's the black. Then I have it in the color red with the gold hardware once again. That gold is popping. So there's the red with the gold hardware. And then I have it in one more color. And this is a super duper cute color. And this is called the denim. And it has the silver hardware. So these are super duper cute. So here's the denim, red, black, and then the pearl gray. So let me do a crossbody check for you guys. So here it is. Fix my shirt. So here it is. Super duper cute. And you can wear it crossbody, or you can put it on your shoulder. I feel like it's a little bit longer, but you can adjust the straps, but it's a little bit longer. But you stick it on there. This is a cute bag. Child, I forgot I had them, but I don't think I'm gonna keep all of these, so I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, y'all, here it is, and these are the Michael Kors Fulton small crossbodies. And they also had these bags in the, I want to say, the signature print too, in the brown and the vanilla color. So you may get lucky and still be able to find them. But I got all of these from Macy's some time ago. Back in, I ain't gonna even tell y'all because it's been too long. But yeah, I've been having I've been having these for quite a while. But yeah, y'all, so y'all have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.